printing footings. It's beautiful. Perfect. Dream team. You don't see this any place. Still wet. Look what the box nozzle does. It's just freaking phenomenal. Look at that. Here's what we do out here. There's the easiest job. Chair force right there. Okay, ready to start printing footings. Okay, you've never seen forming like this. Okay, we just print the footings the way it should be done. No one in the world's doing this. No one's even showing this. We don't have to strip the forms, pull the nails. You got lumber shrinkage. You got to spray everything down with diesel. You got to carry it to a trailer. Look how beautiful that is. Touring fins go down and catch that ridge, knocks it down, minimal finishing. Doing footings. I mean, look what a phenomenal job, time savings. They did real good. I tell you what, it really helps to have 6, 7 people. Because you got your finishers normally and you got your printers. 2 different crews. Print crew, finishing crew. Some people ask me, why do we need more than 3 guys? Okay. This is why. Okay. You're moving materials. This is real construction. Okay. Print crew and finishing crew. I would have loved to just built the printer and taught you how to make it move. That's not this. We're having to do footings. We're having to do material handling. We're having to do rebar. We teach you how to finish the walls while you're printing, how to put in your windows. You can't teach that without actually doing it. Okay. This group here has, how many guys you got here, Tim?
6 guys and 2 observers.
And 2 observers. I want to be the observer.
But
get the lead out of your ass. Find another gear. I got 10 guys that'll replace you tomorrow. Let's move. Hey! Can you imagine forming this up?
That's a lot of plywood and a lot of stakes in the ground. Well, and there's no way, even with wood, that you would have been able to get it so perfectly.
No. Hell, I want my footings to show.
There's no way it would look this good. Yeah, I hate the fact we're burying them.
I know, it sucks. Shit. What would it have been like if you just brought your 3 guys for the print team?
We had to be here for 10 weeks.
Yeah. People don't realize when you're coming here, you're going to print something. You're going to build a house. That's moving 50, 80, 90 pound bags of cement. That's moving sand. That's digging footings.
Having 6 guys has been really nice. Basically, you got your pilot, you got your mix master, and you got your material handler. We have backups for all those positions. I mean, we come to work in the morning, and we get home, and it's like we eat, go to bed, and we're back at work. I mean, the days are going by so fast.
After being here for 4 weeks already, do you see the savings?
From pump on to cleanup, it was 3 hours and 18 minutes. We had this whole footing
done,
down ready.
Okay. Guess who's not printing today? Let's start naming them off. Apis, Icon, Cobod, Buffalo. I don't want to leave anybody out and make them feel bad, but Alquist, Seabay. Oh, guys, it's gonna rain today. Go home. Oh, a little bit of wind. Send you home.
Shoring pin comes down a ½ inch below the previous pass, and you end up with just a beautiful, beautiful print.
No scraping. It's beautiful. This is the nice thing about concrete printing. Can you imagine framing this? No framing, no drywall, no plaster. Dave here, he's controlling nozzle speed, pump speed. It's all controlled with an Xbox controller. Pretty windy today. Would not be printing anywhere else in the world. Everybody in the world's afraid of wind because their print's gonna blow down. Okay, we're getting ready here. Got boxes laid out. And they're getting Romex ready right now. This is training. He's a professional at Mario Brothers, so he got the job. Okay, we got the pin moved up so it doesn't hit into these boxes.
Oh my gosh, I'm so proud.
Rebar ties are in the wall, so this stays at the right height all the way around all your boxes. He's laying it in the wall. Second guy keeps it above the wall. And then he cuts it to length. Here. Go ahead. Perfect. That's it.
Beautiful. Dream team right there.
Dream team. Mario getting tired? It's hard damn work, isn't it?
There's a lot to manage,
Yeah.
but I'm having a good time.
Marking each one of their home runs. Okay, they're marking them on the box, and then when they come out at the breaker box location, they'll do the same thing. This is how you print a house, guys. 2 inches at a time, 3 times faster than anything on the market. Look at these perfect passes. Just put a sponge trowel on that and it's perfectly baby butt smooth. Set it 100 times. Now you're seeing it in action. All of our low boxes are done. Home runs clear back to the breaker box. Didn't drill a damn thing. Didn't have to yank Romex through a whole bunch of 2x4s and peeling off the covering on the Romex. Inspectors love that. Speaking of what inspectors love, okay, look at these boxes. Not a single gap. Tell you what the fire marshal loves, nothing to catch on fire. Revolutionizes construction. Okay, I'm gonna try and make sense of this for you. Normally, 3 passes to get to 2 inches. We do it in 1 pass. So in the time it takes them to get from here to here, you got 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes to get that far. Okay? For us, there's 10 minutes, and there's 20 minutes, and there's 30 minutes. Finishing this wall is a joke, okay? Because we're finishing it while we go. We're not coming back later and plastering it. or getting rid of all the ugly goobers and inconsistencies and bullshit. Our stuff looks like drywall when it's done. We're smooth. And we don't do it with these. These are a joke, just showing you. We do it with the power disc. And it's a little too early. Just a circular motion, and it just, those lines are gone. We go from that to that in just minutes while we're printing. There you go. Look at that, guys. Okay, we're getting ready to put a power disc on the wall. Look how freaking smooth and gorgeous that is. I mean, you don't see this any place. One thing you look at always, make sure you're not getting any movement up above. We're only going up halfway. Yeah, buddy. Finishing while we print, the only way to do this. Okay, we can even print in the dark. Generator running out of gas. That's as high as we can go right now. This is too soft. Tim, stop. Okay, tell me about your print today.
I've been gone all day getting materials.
We were short on materials. That never happens again, I bet.
No, never happens again. We'll always have more than enough materials.
Has the printer stopped one time?
The printer has not stopped once. I love you, Dad. Pump has not stopped once. My son loves me, so that means he's happy.
Stator hasn't stopped once.
He's had a good day. My guys haven't. Nobody stopped once all day today.
Okay.
It is definitely balls to the walls whenever you start printing.
Do it right here for a little bit. Show up to everyone. Okay, now you're showing off.
I think they've done amazing. David has been wanting to build walls ever since we got here. He's going to be ecstatic today. He's getting a cold beer when he gets off for sure.
They've been a little apprehensive about printing faster. You're at about 3 inches a second. 4 inches a second is 25% shorter time.
We would have been a lot further on had we had more confidence in the amount of materials that we had. They had to slow down so they'd give us some time to go pick up some more materials. They're never going to say we don't have enough materials ever again.
Ever again. How hard is it to finish this?
It's not hard at all. It's just a wet, scrape it a little bit with a trowel, hit it with the wet sponge.
So you need about 4 guys on power discs, one of these in their hand.
When we get done, it's going to be finished. So.
Well,
ready for paint or mud or whatever.
Look at that, we're printing. Printer's moving back there. He's going all the way up to everything but the last layer. Timing is everything. Okay, we're still printing. Printer's moving back there, but look at this. I'm like, don't go to the top. They go all the way to the top. Printed without stopping. These top passes. Okay.
Barely.
Still wet, but they're finishing all the way to the top and finishing beautifully. So you got to stay 12 inches down.
Keep all the mud off on me.
The whole time that you're finishing.
Pressure washing.
And on this side, same thing. Okay. This is still wet. Just give you an idea. And I guess coming down here, okay, that's a good cure rate. We're also cutting out the windows. Okay. Do it when it's green, and you can get away with these cheap Sawzall blades. Okay, the Look what the box nozzle does. It's just freaking phenomenal. Look at that. It's all in the last 10%, the last 10% of finish. So
I have full confidence when we get home, these guys are going to be able to set this up, and we're going to be able to duplicate this on his land. You're going to come out and you're going to love it.
can't wait.